Hello everybody, this is Tosharaenailed, and I thought I would do a little unboxing with you and tell you what all I got. I actually don't even remember what I got. It's been a while since I actually ordered these things, but we'll look through them together and I'll give you a quick little nail vlog. So if you haven't seen me for a minute, I do apologize. I ended up coming down with the flu and it has been a real bugger to get rid of. I'm still struggling with it. But you're going to see me over the next couple days. I'll be on doing some lives and some filming. So that'll be a lot of fun. And I'm looking forward to it, even though I'm sure I probably don't sound too amused at the moment. Let's get into my little shopping haul here. This was, let's see, what is this? This is the magnet that I ordered. I've seen it all over Instagram. And I wanted to give it a try. It was super, super cheap, of course. So I got one of these. I actually got two. I'm going to give one to a friend. If you've already tried these, you'll have to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought, if you like it, if it works. Otherwise, I'll be back and do a review on it a little bit later this week. And I also got some of these. And I've been seeing them also all over the Instagrams. And I figured this could be fun. It could be not so cute. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about how a French sticker is going to look, but figured it's affordable. We'll give it a try. Why not? I tell you, with what's going on in today's world, at least in the US, I'm sure though it's reaching abroad as well, but the nail hauls are probably going to get pretty slim, except for if it's something like this that's going to be from Shein. I have a feeling we are all going to be struggling for quite some time with everything going on, but that's all right. Let's move on. I got me another little plate, and I haven't really played with the plates because I don't have a lot of the polishes that go, that you should be using with them. I do have regular polish, of course, and we can always use that, but I haven't really tried them out. We might do that, though, actually coming up pretty soon. We'll find something on here we can use. Maybe even for Valentine's Day, since it's right around the corner. Speaking of which, I actually do have a client tomorrow, and it's our Jandy, of course. It's time for her Valentine's nails. So we're going to be doing a really fun design with that. And also we have a new Madam Glam collection coming out. And I figured we would use those colors tomorrow in her manicure. And I'll do that on a live. That way you can watch me and we'll do some fun Valentine's nail art. Hopefully they come out beautiful. I have been doing some little samples for what I want to do in preparation. So let's hope that all goes well tomorrow. This was a little magnet set that I got that actually was a bit of a lie in the description of what I was supposed to be getting. So yeah, I have the little square magnets, but I don't have the paddle to line them all up. I'll have to figure out something on my own with that, but that's what we have for that. Then I have some more of these that I got in. They have a little bit different colors, so those should be fun to play with. And if you've wondered why I haven't done a nail vlog in what feels like a couple weeks, I'm sure it probably has been a couple weeks. It is strictly just because I haven't been doing really anything other than trying to get myself better. Like I said, I came down with the flu, went to the doctor. They didn't give me anything. They just said, you got to tough it out. And I already have, my autoimmune issues and things. And so that also triggered its own, it kind of got everything flared up with my lupus. So it's just been a really, really hard struggle, and not anything fun really has been going on or anything exciting to tell you guys about. Other than trying to get better, I have been obsessed with paying attention to the news and what's going on. Yeah, I know I don't ever really talk about it, but I am big into politics, and I am a Democrat, and it's been really, really hard dealing with the new presidency and everything going on, especially the illegal things they've really got me stirred up, and I'm trying not to be upset about it because that's not what I need in the moment. But let's get back to nails, okay? So this was a little sweetie nail haul. I got these dual forms. So I got the almond shape ones, which they may have been called stiletto, but I think they're called almond. And then I also got another set that is just kind of more of a natural shape. I've played with the dual forms a little bit. I'm not good at them. So there's this part of me that doesn't want to pick it back up because I feel like every time I start doing them, it kind of turns out to be a bit of a disaster and I don't like them. But I see them, on the Instagram and on YouTube. Everybody using them tends to love them. So I figure maybe I'm just not buying the right ones. So I bought some new ones, and I also picked up a little bit of a transfer foil. It's like a mirror transfer, because I figured since I was buying a couple things from Sweetie, I might as well buy a couple more and make the shipping and everything worth it. So this I'm really excited about, honestly. I want to do more of the transfer foils. This one looks super cool, and I can't wait to play with it. And I'm also usually always missing my transfer gel. So I went ahead and ordered some Dime transfer gel. I think it's called Magic Gel. And it's a little bitty container, but that's okay. Since this is a little bit different of a packaging than my normal transfer foil gel, which is in the bottle, maybe I'll be able to hang on to it a little bit better. I'm actually starting to lose my voice, so we're going to make this a really, really short little video for you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to do more, but like I said, this week I promise you will see more of me. I have got that client tomorrow, and then I've got to do my own nails this week as well, and we've got the Madam Glam collection, the new collection for Valentine's Day, and I want to show you all those colors. We have a lot of really pretty glitter gels, so if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned this week because we're going to have more of that coming up. All right, I'm going to let you guys finish out this little video, and if you feel sorry for me, hit a little like down below and leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. It would make my day. And I will see you super soon.